All right, today is family bonding day. We're heading up here. Well, we're actually at the mall right now, and usually once a week we like to come up here with Hannah Grace and go to World of Fun. It's a little, I don't know, it's a little game place up here in the mall. Play some games, get some tickets, win some prizes. So that's what we're doing right now, and that's what we're doing today. All right, they got the Christmas decorations going on in the mall right now. I call this the selfie posing spot in the mall. As you see, everybody's here and they're getting selfies done. Got Hannah Grace over here, she's getting one done. Got look, making sure it's just right. Yeah, it's pretty neat how they have this all decorated here. They got some decorations going on. This here's the one of the main court areas here. They hold a lot of events in this area. A lot of competitions and singing stuff, and a lot going on right here in this area. Alright, I kind of got sidetracked here, and I lost Lut. But I know exactly where they're at. They're up here, and they're in World of Fun, and they're playing games, so I didn't really lose her. I know exactly where they're at. World of Fun. I know they're in here. Let's go find them. Gotta get your tickets at the ticket booth. It's like walking into a casino. All you hear is like loud noise, you hear bells, you hear whistles. Everybody's all excited playing these games. World of Fun, World of Fun! Oh, I lost Hannah Grace. Oh, there she is. You done? You gonna try again? Oh, you're gonna try that one. I'm leaving World of Fun. Just too much fun for me. What I'm going to do is actually going to go see if see if I can see if I can find a birthday present for Lut. Her birthday is tomorrow, and I'm on the hunt for a birthday present for Lut. And I'm going to turn this off because she watches this and she'll know what she's getting. All right, so I was unable to find her birthday present, and I still got another day. I got tomorrow. Tomorrow's her birthday, so I will definitely find it for her. Local juice time. Local Express. Hannah Grace is a lover of Buko juice. Right, HC? You like Buko juice? Masarap. Hannah Grace, masarap? Alright, so we're gonna have some lunch now at McDonald's. Yeah, McDonald's. Hannah Grace is kind of picky when it comes to food, but she likes the chicken here at McDonald's, so that's where we're having lunch. Hi, Hannah Grace. What do you have to say? Hello. That's it? Are you having fun today? Are you having fun at, did you have fun at World of Mall? Or World of Fun? Is that your favorite place to go in the mall? Yeah. Do you like McDonald's? What's your favorite food at McDonald's? Chicken. Chicken? French fries? You like French fries? One piece chicken, rice, and gravy. It's your favorite, right? And my always McDonald's go-to, Coke Zero, 1 apple pie, chicken sandwich, and a large French fry. That's my go-to. Hannah Grace, look here. This is what you look like after you eat a box of cheese-flavored popcorn. Let me see your fingers, Hannah Grace. Popcorn, cheese-flavored fingers. Smile, Hannah Grace. And popcorn, popcorn in your mouth.
No. Put it there.
Oh, drop the Boko juice.
Ay.
That's what you look like after a box of cheese-flavored popcorn. Alright, this about wraps up the family day, family bonding day. HG, Hannah Grace has her popcorn, her Boko juice, World of Fun, McDonald's. Got Mama a gift for her birthday tomorrow, and that about wraps it up.